Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Z Flip3, and if you want to check your real battery capacity in the smartphone, you have to get Ampere application from the Play Store. It's from the Brain Shop. You have to install that application, and when you make it, you have to open. And the real battery capacity you will find in this place. And right now, when we go for the settings, take a look. We have to go for the battery settings. Oh, we cannot find it here. We have to go for the About phone and for this battery information. And as you can see here, we can find the different capacity of our battery. We can check it right here. And as you can see in the smartphone, we can find the rated minimum capacity of the battery, as you can see. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.